Sa inilabas na teaser trailer ng My Love Will Make You Disappear, ang first ever movie ng Kim Pao na sina Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino, ay samot-sari nga ang naging reaksyon ng mga netizens. At ang iilan nga ay hindi na makapag-antay sa sobrang excitement. Narito ang kanilang mga komento. This looks promising. Ang cute pala ni Paolo Avellino and Kim Chiu together. Cinematography, check. Soundtrack, check. Chemistry, check. The best yung teaser. Lakas makakatch ng attention. May kilig factor kasi agad, at ma-curious ka how the story will continue. Nakaka-excite. Sobrang lakas ng chemistry ng Kim Pao. Can't wait to watch this in cinemas on February 12, 2025. No words needed. The chemistry speaks for itself. How I wish tomorrow is February 12 already. That's how excited I am. Can't wait. Bakit ang bilis? Grabe naman, kakakilig naman. Ramdam tagos puso ang pagmamahalan at sobrang lakas ng chemistry. Nakatadhana nga.